Have you ever heard someone knocking on your window at exactly midnight? Not once, not twice, but every single night. What would you do? Would you open the curtain or pretend you heard nothing? This is the story of Ethan Carter, a young man who had just moved into a quiet neighborhood. He didn't believe in ghosts. He didn't believe in haunted houses. He believed that every mystery had a logical explanation. Until one cold October night. The clock struck midnight. The room was completely silent. Then, knock, knock, knock. Three slow knocks echoed through the darkness. Ethan opened his eyes. His heart began to race. He looked at the digital clock beside his bed. 12 a.m. Exactly midnight. At first, he thought it was only the wind. He closed his eyes and tried to fall asleep again. But just a few seconds later, knock, knock, knock. The sound came back, louder this time. His heart began to beat faster. Something wasn't right. Someone, or something, was outside. Slowly, Ethan got out of bed. Every step felt heavier than the last. The room was cold. The silence was almost unbearable. His hand trembled, slowly. He reached for the curtain. Every second felt like forever.